in a rush, girl. It's just us, girl. Let me know what's up, girl. What's up, girl? Slow it down, slow it up, go down, slow it up, take it down, down, down. You know I'ma beat it up.
Hey everybody! Today I'm here to show you how to install your fabulous wig. So right now I'm braiding my hair straight to the back. It's not neat. I just got done washing my hair, so it's semi-wet, so it's a little tangled as you can see. But hey, it's cool. So I'm just braiding this to the back, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna braid it together. So just join me in this process and let's get to it. Ow. Whew. As you can see, I'm finally done braiding my hair. Man, I hate braiding my own hair, but we got the job done. As you can see, my braids in the middle is a big. So just make sure you guys braids not that big because you don't want to see it out your wig. You feel what I'm saying? You don't want to sound like you got a big ass head. So what I'm doing now is just braiding my hair together and tucking it. So that's what I'm doing. The next step, get your items together. All you need is your got to be glued freeze spray, not the gel, not the styling gel, none of that. The freeze spray. And last but not least, your wig. That's my little mannequin head, Linda. So excuse her makeup, she got to get a touch up. Hey, bars. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's go ahead and put Linda wig on my head and let me start looking flawless. Let's get it. So what I just got done doing is bumping her ends. If you guys would like to see that on camera, just let me know and I will get the job done for y'all. I'm trying to have out as much as content that I need to put out. I'm on my grind. Let's get to it. Say hey to my daughter. You can't see her, but you will see her towards the end. She couldn't help but be on mommy's lap. She's a mama's girl. Hey, anywho, let's get to it. So, what I'm doing here is get my cap together and put it on my head the way I like it. So, what I like to do is put my cap at least an inch or two behind my hairline. Don't worry, y'all. The freeze spray will not damage your edges. Trust me, I'm crazy about my edges. I be damn if I be bald. Man. So trust me on this. The freeze spray is harmless. You're good to go. So, yeah, what I'm doing now is just getting it together, looking good, at least trying to. So, yeah. And my daughter is currently touching stuff. So whoever got a 1-year-old or a small child, y'all know what I'm going through. So right now I'm just putting her in her own seat so I can get to showing you guys how to properly install your wig with the freeze spray. So yeah. This is how I like to put on my wig. Back to front. not front to back. Not saying that it won't work out the same, but that's just how I like to put it on. It works for me, and that's what I do. So yeah, this wig was black and was long. I dyed it myself. First it was blonde, then it was honey blonde, then it was burgundy, and now it's pink. A little ashy pink color. So yeah, and then I recently cut it into a bob. Excuse the background, that's just my daughter. She cannot help herself. But hey, anywho, so what I'm doing now is just combing out my hair, making sure it's not tangled, making sure it's gonna flow and it won't be all over the place. So right now I am brushing back, well, combing back my hair. So you don't want, one thing you don't want is all that free spray on your hair. On your front of your lace, that's fine, but not on the hair for real. Like, nah. So what I'm doing now is if anybody know me, I love my sideburns, boo. Gotta have my sideburns. Don't ask me why. I just love the look. So right now, as you can see, my wig is already looking natural. And so I'm getting it right. So right now, I'm just spraying the freeze spray on it. One thing you want to do that I did forget to bring with me is you want to have your head scarf so you can lay it down and so it can melt into your skin. That's one thing you need. And then once it's dry, you're going to be like, lace were. Lace were. So yeah, what I'm doing now is just spraying it and flattening it down. And you don't need a lot of freeze spray, but just put enough because that's some good freeze spray. And I had that can right there for months. It don't take much for that. So yeah, you guys, let's get to it. I'm just rambling on and on and on. So yeah, just watch and join with me. Let's get it. With this wig, I have some adjustable straps in the back, and what I like to do is connect them together, and that will help your wig. It would give you a snug, tight fit to it, to your head, and I love it. But right now, this little snap was giving me a hard time. It took me at least 2 whole minutes to get it right how I like it. So yeah, and as you can see, my part is just automatically natural. Like, come on now. I do this, and I ain't lying to you. I do this, and I ain't lying to you. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. And you can see, oh, ooh, what lace? Let them know, sis. What lace, sis? Even my daughter like, yeah, mama, let's get it. Hey. And right here, I wanted baby hairs, but I was like, I ain't got the time to do it. So I just did my to-go hairstyle that I always do, that I always wear when I don't feel like spicing it up. So, yeah, this is the finished look. You could style it however you want. You want to updo, go ahead and slay it. If you guys would like to see an updo with this wig with cute baby hairs, just let me know and I will hook it up for you. But yeah, I love this wig, y'all. I got it from AliExpress. I forgot the vendor. But yeah, this is awesome hair. It barely shed. It barely tangles, and I love it. I really do. It's a good wig. So yeah, yeah, this is my finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to start posting more content, so just let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see from me. Once I get my subscribers up, I would like to do a Q&A for you guys, so just to get to know me better, and we all can grow together. It don't get no better than that. And as y'all can see, that freeze spray freeze that wig together, boo. It ain't going nowhere. Thank you so much, and see you guys soon. Bye. Say bye, KK. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Yay!
You get big, like we gonna pull like a breakup stunt like everybody else doing. But though, babe, I'm gonna have to have sex with somebody in order to put it on.
No.
Just for a break, you know what I'm saying? Like maybe like you gonna be involved, but then we just gonna tape. You know what I mean? Okay, then like how about me coming?